Hey guys, Jared here. I got this product to review for this video. A 3-pack caddy set that can be put anywhere on the bathroom wall. As long as there's good adhesion or a good flat surface, this will stick right on there. You can put this in a shower, you could put this on a bathtub wall. In this shower, there's nothing here for you to be able to hang anything up. So this 3-pack is going to do great for us. There's 3 different types of shower caddies that come with this. You've got this one right here that you can put big bottles of shampoo. You can hang any loofahs that you want. Then you've got the suction cups right here that go onto the walls. You have this straight caddy that you can put shampoo, conditioner, anything that you want, you can put right in here. Also comes with a suction cup. And then you also have this smaller one too here as well. This would be great too if you're using like a brush or a toothbrush inside the shower. You can go ahead and put this on your bathroom wall and it will stick right there. One of the things I like about this too is that this is rust proof, and that you have all these drainage slots here, so that way the water won't pool and it will just go down right into the drain. To install this here, take these 2 caps right off, and they have these little protective coverings that come on there. These are reusable, so if you want to reuse it, all you have to do is peel it off the wall, put some water on it to clean it, and then reapply it to whatever surface that you want. But to put this on the first time, make sure the surface is clean, which we've already cleaned this, and you're going to just put this on where you want it, and then apply pressure. This white part is actually going to go into the cup. So right now, this is all the way on, and everything's going to be on there securely. If we're going to do the toothbrush holder, we'd go ahead, pull this off, make sure the wall is clean, apply this to the wall, and then press firmly. And you'll see it actually go down, and then you're on there. So you can go ahead and leave that right there and you're good to go. Another thing that I liked about this set is that it comes with extra hooks too. So if you find that you don't have enough, you can go ahead and put these on here however you'd like. You can put it with these 2 prongs facing down, or you can put it the other way. So that way if you have something individual, like a loofah on each side, you can go ahead and hang it right there. This is a nice 3-piece caddy set, and I would definitely say check this out.